how to manage and add automatic replies on Microsoft Outlook. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to manage your automatic replies on Outlook. First thing, go to the top here on your inbox, go to the top, click on settings and go down, click on view all Outlook settings. As you can see, now all what you have to do is simple, just click on mail option right here, and on this list you will find many options. As you can see, now all what you have to do is just click on automatic replies and you will be able to add your automatic reply easily and fast. It's so easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end. See you later.